In this video, I will show you how you can check if your AirPods 4 are still charging or not. Now, if you plug in your AirPods 4 into charge, you will notice that an LED will light up on your AirPods case. Now, if this LED is orange, this indicates that your AirPods are still charging. And once this LED turns into green, this indicates that your AirPods are fully charged. Now, sometimes after you plug your AirPods into charge and after a couple of seconds, this LED will automatically turn off. Now, to check the charging status in that case, just open the lid of your AirPods, then close the lid. Then just check the color of the LED. But if the LED is still not working, then just pair your AirPods with your iPhone, and from here you can check the charging status of your AirPods. As you can see, from here you can check the battery percentage, and this lightning bolt indicates that your AirPods are charging. And this is how you can check if your AirPods 4 are charging or not. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.